everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today let us talk about the various writers that are associated with the realism movement in literature. The first writer that we will talk about is William Dean Howells. William Dean Howells. What is the time period? So उनका birth कब होता है? In 1837 and he is dying in 1920. So time period is 1837 till 1920. March 1, 1837 say 11th May 1920. He is William Dean Howells, a very canonical figure when it comes to realism writings in America. So he was an American realist novelist, literary critic, playwright, and he is nicknamed as the Dean of American Letters. The nickname क्या है? Dean of American Letters. So he has been writing a number of different works, but he is most famous for his magazine, जिनके वो editor बनते हैं. What is the name of the magazine? The Atlantic Monthly. He became the editor for this very important magazine, the Atlantic Monthly. He has also written very important works like The Rise of Silas Lapham and The Traveler from Alturia. He is also someone who has written Christmas stories, and one of the Christmas story is Christmas Every Day. Now ये important क्यों है? Because इसी के ही नाम पे there was a film that came out. So with the same name there is a film. In 1996, this film came out with the same name on this Christmas story called as Christmas Every Day. He is someone who is writing a biography, the biography of Abraham Lincoln in 1860. 1860 mein he was someone who wrote a biography. He got a lot of money out of it and then he went to England. So he visited England. So he had financed a trip to the New England where he is going to meet the great men of the literary establishment, James Russell Lowell, who was the editor of the Atlantic Monthly. On his return to US, he became assistant editor and then the editor of the Atlantic Monthly, in which he began to publish many reviews and many articles around the people who were there writing in America. So वो क्या कर रहे थे? वो interpretations कर रहे थे. Many articles were written around American writers. He was someone who had a very shrewd judgment on his contemporaries. So वो एक literary critic है, ताकि वो क्योंकि वो judgments दे रहे थे अपने contemporaries के बारे में. So in this magazine, that is the Atlantic Monthly, a number of important writers published their works, like Mark Twain as well, right? So these were the people who were publishing their works, and it was published in the Atlantic Monthly. He immediately recognized the worth of Henry James, and उन्होंने क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा judgments दी थी सारे writers के बारे में, he is someone who knew that Henry James will become the most important writer in America. He was the first to take Mark Twain seriously as an artist as well. So we have Henry James, जिनके work इस magazine में थे, also Mark Twain के works भी इस magazine में थे. He is the one who talked about. So we have William Dean Howells who is talking extremely prolific things about Henry James as well as Mark Twain. Why is Mark Twain so important? इन्होंने realistic movements को या realism in America को Gilded Age भी कहा था. He wrote canonical texts as well as Henry James is of course very important. He is the brother of William James who talked about radical empiricism, stream of consciousness, etc. So these are very important people. What all are the works that you have to remember when it comes to William Dean Howells? So his very important work is Their Wedding Journey. This came out in 1872. And then there is another work, A Chance Acquaintance, in 1873. But these were the first realistic novels that were published, and all of them were talking about the middle class life. So realistic novels were there to talk about the reality of life, and they were talking about the uneventful life of a middle class person. He wrote A Modern Instance, and this work took him to greater success. This work came out in 1882. A Modern Instance. It's the story of the degradation that you see in a marriage. So it's the story of the disintegration of a marriage, which is considered as the strongest novel that he has written. Then he is best known for his work, The Rise of Silas Lapham, that came out in 1885. This deals with a very self-made businessman's effort to fit into the Boston society. तो वो किसके बारे में बात करते हैं? सबसे पहले because he is associated with realism, he will only talk about the reality of life. वो किसके बारे में बात करें? The realities of life. And this reality of life in this reality and the portrayal of life, he is going to talk about the middle class. तो यहाँ पे सबसे important work उनका कौन सा है? The Rise of Silas Lefebvre that came out in 1885. He is talking about a self-made, self-fashioned businessman. और वो पेंट की उनकी एक बिजनेस है. किसका बिजनेस है? पेंट का बिजनेस है. और वो फिट करना चाहते हैं बॉस्टन की हाई क्लास सोसाइटी के साथ. In 1888, he left Boston and he went to New York as well. His deeply shaken social faith is reflected in his other novels that are there, and these novels are जो कि उनके न्यूयॉर्क पीरियड में है. तो as I told you, he was living in Boston and then he went to New York. वहां जाके भी वो कुछ वर्क्स लिखते हैं जो कि उनके सोशल फेथ जो शेकन हो चुका है. उनने इतना ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स देख ली है सोशल क्लास के साथ, द मिडिल क्लास पीपल, that he is writing now with a shaken faith. So what all are these works? He is writing in this period, he is writing strongly propelled labor-oriented work. So pro-labor works के साथ associated. The works like Annie Kilburn in 1888 and A Hazard of New Fortunes in 1890. Especially, they are considered to be the finest works that he has done. Howell's critical writing of the period welcomed young naturalistic writers as well. So his critical writings brought forth another set of people, and they were called as the naturalistic writers. So he is the one who is in the realism movements. After that, naturalism would come up. We have novelists like Hamlin Garland, Stephen Crane and Frank Norris, who are naturalists. And who are the naturalists as such? We discussed them in the previous videos. I told you they are one step further than the realistic portrayal of life. Realism से एक step ज़्यादा ही sharp satire कर रहे हैं society पे, ये होते हैं naturalistic writers. So these are the other works that he has written. Lives and Speeches of Abraham Lincoln and Hannibal Hamlin in 1860. This is a work जिन तरह से उनको बहुत success मिलता है, and he got the money to visit other places. Then we have the Venetian Life, the Italian Journeys, No Love Lost. Then No Love Lost को reprint किया जाता है No Love Lost, a Romance of Travel in 1869. Then their Wedding Journey, a very important work. The Sewburn Bain Sketches is another work. The Chance Acquaintance in 1873. These are the other works. The Day's Pleasure is an important work. A Foregone Conclusion is an important work. These are important. Then we have Out of Question, The Lady of the Oru Ship. So these are some of the very important works that are written by William Dean Howells. You should remember that he is the editor of the Atlantic Monthly, because sometimes they do ask about magazines. So this thing becomes important. उससे पहले editor कौन थे ये भी हमने discuss किया. Russell was the editor before him. After that, after meeting Russell, he became the assistant editor and then the editor. He also is someone who talked about Henry James and Mark Twain in greater detail. So he is a very important man related to the realistic writings in America. I hope you understood. I hope you liked the video. And if you still have any doubts, you can ask me that in the comment section and I'll surely reply to you. Thank you.